Okay, so to create your sight word book, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to open up a Google slide and then you are going to title your book. So I'm going to go ahead and use the word see and I'm just going to make a title. You would want to make this background a nice cover like you normally would if you were to have a children's book. I'm going to then add a page. I'm going to delete this bottom box and I'm going to add a sentence. And my sentence is going to be I see a bird. Simple as that. To change your font, you want to go ahead, go in the middle, change whatever, however you want. I'm going to make mine super big, go to 96. I want it centered, so I'm going to go to a line right here and center it. And then I'm going to make my box bigger to fit. Now, you want your pages to be colorful. You want them to have pictures on them. Now, here's what I suggest. All of your pages should correlate with one another. So I would not have a page that has a really cool background on one page and then the next page white. You want it to make sense like a book would make sense. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you two different things that you can do for pages, or three technically. To add backgrounds for a page, you need to go to background right here. You can have a colored background. So if you just click on a color, done. You can have a color like that, or you can have an actual picture of a background. So if you want to do that, you go to image, choose image, go to Google image search, and I'm going to search just outside. And I'm going to click on this picture right here of a park. And done. So now I have this pretty picture of a park. Now I can't see my words anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and change that and make my words white. And I'm going to bring my words actually down to the bottom for this one. Now I want to add a picture as well. So this background does not count as your one picture that you need on each page. I still need a picture. So I'm going to go to Insert Image, Upload, or Search the Web. And I'm going to search for a bird. Now, if you want the image to be a transparent background, so for example, if I click on bird and I click on this guy right here, it has this background. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is go to bird and you go PNG transparent. And I'm going to just click on this first one. And see, it doesn't have that background, so it kind of goes along with my picture. So I'm going to delete the other one. Just wanted to show it to you. And I'm going to put my bird right there. So I see a bird. There's my bird flying in the park. Now, another way that you can do backgrounds, I'm going to say I see a person. Okay. Again, I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to add a background. Maybe instead I want to have more of like a border. I want just maybe a white background, but I want a border. So you can type in, I don't know, flower border. Just something like that. And you can have that. And then I see a person. Again, insert image, search the web, person. PNG transparent. I'm going to click on him. Obviously, this page doesn't look very great, but I just wanted to show you the options. Now, I would not put my book together with having this page and then this page right after it. These don't correlate with one another. This doesn't make sense. If I wanted to have this, I would probably keep this background for every single page and then just add new pictures on top. If I wanted more pages like this with a border, I would have every single page as a border. It's completely up to you how you want it, but they should make sense just like a children's book would. And that's all you need to do. You need 7 pages in total. You want it to be colorful. Like I said, you need a picture on each page and a simple sentence for the preschooler.